Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna draw this Naruto logo or thing through an easy way. So first we have to draw a big circle and then a small circle in the center. Then a triangle on the lower left corner of that circle. Then a straight line on the opposite side and then draw a small triangle in the big triangle. And now we just have to make the already drawn circle more bigger by drawing another circles on both sides of the already drawn lines. I hope it may seem easy to you, and if yes, then like the video and comment down and tell me whether it was easy or not. And if you like my work, then do subscribe my channel and watch my other videos too. And guys, I have a good news. I just hit 100 subscribers on YouTube within 1.5 months, and it's just a big achievement for a new YouTuber. Thanks for that and keep supporting, and I'm extremely happy when I see a new subscriber on my channel, so please do subscribe. If you are still watching my video, I will be extremely happy. I drew the sketch of this thing and now I'm doing the dark outline after removing it. So guys, outline is finished and now I'm doing color in it with a 6B pencil. And love you to everyone who is still watching my video. Let's do blending now. I usually don't do signature on such small sketches, but I'm doing here because I'm making a video and it's pretty good. Bye! Watch the left video if you want to draw Kakashi Hatake through an easy way.